Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll take you through a clear and simple guide to connecting your Mailchimp account to Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to automate certain actions and make your email workflow far more efficient, perfect for business owners, marketers, or anyone looking to streamline how Mailchimp and Gmail work together. Let's jump right in and see just how easy this integration can be. Alright, first things first, go ahead and open up your Mailchimp account. If you haven't logged in for a while, you might need to grab your password, but once you're in, you're ready to start setting up the integration. Connecting different apps is one of the powerful things you can do in Mailchimp, and they've made it pretty smooth once you know where to look. Now, look for the Integrations option in your Mailchimp dashboard. You'll usually find this tab or menu item on the left side of the screen. It might take a few seconds to locate, especially if Mailchimp has updated its layout recently, but don't worry, just take your time. Clicking into Integrations is the first step toward linking external tools like Gmail, and it's where all the magic happens. In the Integrations section, you'll see a search bar, usually at the top. Here, go ahead and type in Zap. The reason you want to look for Zap is because Mailchimp uses a service called Zapier to help automate actions between different platforms. Think of Zapier like a translator or a bridge. It helps Mailchimp and Gmail talk to each other without you having to manually move data back and forth. Once you've typed Zap, you'll see Zapier appear in the list of possible integrations. Select Zapier by clicking on it. This just tells Mailchimp that you want to make a connection using their automation tool. If you haven't used Zapier before, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly and basically works in terms of triggers and actions. Now, inside Zapier, there will be another search bar. This time, type Gmail into it. This lets you search among hundreds of possible connections, but we want to link up with Gmail specifically. You'll see the Gmail app pop right up. It's a very popular integration. Select Gmail and Zapier will give you a bunch of options about how these two apps can work together. The option you're looking for is Mailchimp to Gmail. Think of this as setting up a workflow. When something happens in Mailchimp, you want it to automatically kick off an action in your Gmail. Go ahead and select Mailchimp to Gmail, which tells Zapier precisely what sort of connection you want to make. Click Continue. Sometimes you'll be asked to log into your Gmail account and give permission for these apps to talk. That's normal and completely safe as long as you're using the official channels. Now you'll be prompted to select an audience in Mailchimp. The audience is just the group of contacts you want this automation to apply to. Maybe you have one big audience for your newsletter, or perhaps multiple audiences for different projects. Just pick the one that fits best. Hit Continue again. We're nearly done. Next comes an important part, testing the trigger. This is where Zapier checks to make sure everything is connected properly. It might take a moment for it to process. Don't worry if it spins for a bit. It's a lot like testing a new light switch after installation. You just want to make sure the current flows and everything is up and running. And finally, all that's left is to click Publish. This saves and activates your new connection, so the workflow will start running automatically from now on. Take a breath, you did it. Your Mailchimp and Gmail are now working together, and that's all there is to it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, or if you run into any trouble along the way, just drop a comment below, and I'll be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.